Perustie ja grondlegging in 11 say here in Munkkiniemi, Munksnäs, Helsinki, Helsingfors, Uusimaa, Nyland, Finland. And it's very interesting because this research dates back to the 1950s, but have been replaced with MP8 fixtures already. Pretty early.
Yeah.
The best year. So let's see. Oh, it was built in 1953, modernized in 1979, only 24 years after. The number is H5621, and the newest number is R811. But with the assembly number. It's going to have been inspected last year, 2021. Very interesting find. Turning 70 years old in the next year, 2023, and the motorization turned 40 years old in 2019.
Inspekteert paikkiwais, mutta me eteenpäin vaiheessa.
Maybe they modernized it only 26 years after because they wanted to make it easier to use.
Yeah.
But still, this is a very early modernization.
Yeah.
So that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Let's go to the staircase right here.
That's